day, dear learners! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Doc Jinma. Are you ready, guys, for the new lesson? So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Alright, guys, let's begin. The topic I will be discussing for today's lesson is all about constants, variables, and algebraic expressions. Consider activity 1. I have here 3 columns for row, first term, and second term. The row consists of row A up to H, while the first term consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 59, and N. Then we have the second term is 4, 5, and 6. Wherein 1 corresponds to 4, 2 corresponds to 5, 3 corresponds to 6. In this particular activity, you're going to fill in the second term for 4, 5, 6, including 59 and N. Consider the questions to ponder. What did you do to determine the second term for rows D to F? What did you do to determine the second term for row G? And how about the answer in row H? How did you come up with your answer in row H? What is the relation between the first and second terms? Good job, dear learners. Simply add 3 to the given first term. 1 plus 3, we have 4. 2 plus 3, then we have 5. 3 plus 3, then we have 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. How about in row G, which is 59? 59 plus 3 is simply equal to 62. What is the relation between the first and second terms? Simply have N plus 3. As you can see, you just add 3 to the given first term. So take note of that. How do you understand the following symbols and expressions? Here X, B plus 5, and the equal sign. That's right. These are simply the basic symbols and expressions in algebra. Consider the language of algebra. We have here the constant. When we talk about the constant, a number on its own, it has a fixed value. For example, 5, 1/5, and negative 0.5. We also have a variable. When we talk about variable, it is a symbol usually denoted by letters which represent a value of a number. For example, X, A, Y, M, and any letters in the English alphabet. These letters represent a certain value of a number. So take note of that. Then we have what we call term. When we talk about term, this is simply a constant or a variable, or constants and variables multiplied together. For example, 4yz, 9yz squared. In this particular term, we have what we call the numerical coefficient. The numerical coefficient is the term's number part, while the literal coefficient is the term's variable or simply variables. In 9yz squared, the numerical coefficient is 9 and the literal coefficient is yz. What do we mean by algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a group of terms separated by the plus or minus signs or operations. For example, x plus 5, 2y minus 9b squared, 1/2 plus 2xj, negative 4p plus 2q minus 5r. Consider the following: 5x plus c, negative 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. Are there constants or variables in each expression? Which one? Yes, there are constants or variables in the given expression. The constants in the first given expression is 5 and simply the constant negative 3, 5, and 2 in the second expression. About the variables, we have x and c. So take note of that. Letters and variables. When values are assigned to letters in a given expression, its value could be found by replacing the letter with the corresponding value. For example, 3x becomes 6 if x is equal to 2. If you're going to substitute 2 to x, so we have 3 times 2, which is just equal to 6. 5a minus 3 becomes 27 if a is equal to 6. Again, replace a to 6, so we have 5 times 6 is 30 minus 3 is just equal to 27. So take note of that. When letters such as x, y, and etc. are not assigned specific values, simply think of each of them as any number. Thus, they can be added such that we have x plus y. They can be subtracted such that x minus y. They can be multiplied, that is simply xy. And they can be divided, which means we have x over y, like any real number. So take note of that. Alright class, we are done with our lectures. This time, you're going to apply what you have learned for today. Consider the given exercises. You have 2 minutes to answer the given questions. Your timer starts now. Since our timer is advanced, I'm going to give you another 1 minute to answer the given exercises. Alright class, this time we're going to check whether your answers are correct. Number 1, which of the following is considered a constant? Letter A, F. Letter B, the figure is square. Letter C, 22. Letter D, 42x. The correct answer is letter C, which is 22, is considered a constant. Number 2, which of the following is a term? Letter A, 23m plus 5. Letter B, 2 times 6x. Letter C, x minus y plus 2. Letter D, 1/2 x minus y. The correct answer is letter B, 2 times 6x. 2 times 6x is just equal to 12x. This is simply considered a term. Number 3, which of the following is equal to the product of 22 and 2? 22 times 2 is 44. Letter A, 29. B, 49 plus 6. Letter C, 50 minus 6. Letter D, 11 times 5. Take note class, 50 minus 6 is 44. So therefore, the correct answer is letter C. Number 4, which of the following makes the sentence 69 minus 3 equals blank plus 5 true? 69 minus 3 is equal to 66. The given choices are 33, 61, 66, and 68. The correct answer is 61. 61 plus 5 is 66, which is just the same or equal to 69 minus 3, which is also equal to 66. So the correct answer is letter B, 61. Number 5. Let y equals 2x plus z minus 3. What is y when x is equal to 5 and z is equal to 14? Just substitute the given values for x and z. So we have 2x, which is 2 times 5 is 10, plus z, which is 14, plus 10 is 24, minus 3 is 21. So the correct answer is letter D, which is 21. I hope you have learned something for today's lesson. Before I'm going to finally end my lecture, let me first read to you a simple passage coming from the Bible. The book of Psalm, chapter 37, verse 4. Delight yourself to the Lord, and He will give you the desire of your heart. Take note, class. Skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement.